Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to verify bank account in Etsy. Verifying your bank account on Etsy is not just an optional setup step, it's what allows you to receive your money securely. Many sellers focus on listings and sales, then get stuck when payouts can't be sent. No verified bank account equals delayed access to earnings. Start by logging into your Etsy account. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. What this section is: Account Settings is where you manage your seller identity, payments, and account controls. This includes personal information, security settings, shop preferences, and financial settings. Once inside Account Settings, look for Finances. Click on it. Under Finances, select Payment Settings. Why this matters: Payment Settings controls how Etsy pays you. Now locate the section labeled Connect Bank or your current bank details. Click the Edit button. Now input your banking details carefully, such as bank name, account number, and SWIFT (BIC) code. Important warning: one wrong digit can delay or misdirect payouts. So don't rush this step. What happens next? After entering your details, Etsy will tell you to watch for a very small deposit sent within 2-3 business days. This is a micro deposit verification process. It proves you control the bank account, the details entered are real, and payouts can be sent safely. Your next step is to check your bank statement or transaction history over the next few business days. Look for the exact small deposit amount. Then return to Etsy and enter that amount in the verification field. Final step: once you enter the exact amount, click Save and Verify Account. Your bank account is now verified for payouts. That means Etsy can send earnings to your account according to your payout schedule. Important clarifications: verification can take time. If the deposit doesn't appear instantly, that's normal. Banks often take 2-3 business days, and sometimes longer, depending on region. To summarize, verifying your bank account in Etsy involves logging into your account, opening account settings, navigating to finances, and selecting payment settings. From there, you edit the connected bank section and enter your bank name, account number, and SWIFT code if required. Etsy then sends a small verification deposit, which usually arrives within 2-3 business days. Once you identify the exact deposit amount, you return to Etsy, enter that amount, and click Save to complete verification. While the process is simple, accuracy and patience are important. Correct banking details and proper deposit confirmation ensure smooth payouts and prevent delays in receiving earnings from your Etsy sales. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.